Picture this. You're walking down a narrow, bustling street. The air is thick with the scent of sizzling spices and sweet aromas. This is the intoxicating world of Asian street food. From the fiery curries of Thailand to the delicate mochi of Japan, Asian streets offer an explosion of flavors. Every country boasts unique dishes, each more tempting than the last. It's a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. But where do you even begin? The choice is yours. Be warned, once you enter this world, there's no turning back. You'll be craving these flavors long after you've left the bustling streets behind. It's a question that has plagued food lovers for centuries, and in the world of Asian street food, it takes on a whole new meaning. This isn't just about taste, this is about culture, history, and identity. Get ready to embark on a journey. It's a culinary showdown between spicy and sweet. Let's get one thing straight. Spice in Asian cuisine isn't just about heat, it's about depth and complexity, a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. It's the tingling numbness of Sichuan peppercorns, the earthy warmth of chilies, the sharp bite of fresh ginger. In the world of Asian street food, spice is king. From the bustling night markets of Bangkok to the street stalls of Seoul, spice is what gives these dishes their unforgettable flavor. Think about it. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Thai food? It's the heat, right? The fiery curries, the tangy papaya salads, the spicy stir-fries that leave your mouth on fire. But it's not just about the heat, it's about the balance. The way the spice is tempered by sweet, sour, and salty flavors. It's a delicate dance, one that takes years of practice to master. And it's this mastery that makes Asian street food so damn delicious. So buckle up. Get ready for a fiery adventure. We're about to dive deep into the world of spicy Asian street food. Thailand, the land of smiles, but also the land of spice. Here, chilies are more than just an ingredient, they're a way of life. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the rural villages of the north, Thais embrace spice with an enthusiasm that's almost religious. And nowhere is this more evident than in their street food. Take som tum, for example. This unassuming papaya salad is a flavor bomb waiting to explode. Pounded chilies, tangy lime juice, and salty fish sauce combine to create a dish that's both refreshing and fiery. Or how about a steaming bowl of tom yum soup? This iconic Thai dish is a symphony of sour, spicy, and aromatic flavors. Lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves add a citrusy depth, while chilies provide the signature heat. In Thailand, spice is more than just a taste. It's an experience. It's about pushing your boundaries, embracing the heat, and savoring every single fiery bite. Korea, the fiery charm of kimchi. Let's hop over to Korea, the land of K-pop kimchi, and yes, you guessed it, spice. Korean cuisine is known for its bold flavors, and spice plays a starring role in many of its most beloved dishes. At the heart of it all lies kimchi. This fermented cabbage dish is a staple in Korean cuisine, found everywhere from street food stalls to family dinners. It's the backbone of Korean flavor. Kimchi's flavor is complex, a blend of spicy, sour, and umami. The heat comes from gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, known for their deep, smoky flavor. Kimchi is a flavor chameleon, eaten as a side dish used to add a spicy kick to stews and soups, even stir-fried into pancakes. But kimchi is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to spicy Korean street food. Take tteokbokki, for example. These chewy rice cakes are coated in a fiery sauce made with gochugaru, gochujang, Korean chili paste, and other savory ingredients. It's sweet, spicy, and utterly addictive. The perfect snack for a cold winter's day. Now let's shift gears. We're leaving the fiery depths of spice behind and entering a world of pure, unadulterated sweetness. But don't think for a second that this is a world of simplicity. Sweetness in Asian street food is an art form, a delicate dance of sugar, texture, and flavor. Think fluffy Japanese pancakes drenched in syrup and piled high with whipped cream. Imagine the delicate sweetness of a Chinese mooncake, its flaky crust revealing a sweet bean paste. Picture the vibrant colors of Filipino halo, a chaotic yet delightful mix of shaved ice, beans, fruits, and sweet milk. Sweet street food in Asia is a celebration of indulgence. It's about giving in to your cravings, about experiencing the pure, childlike joy of sugar. But it's not just about sugary overload. The sweetness is often tempered by subtle, salty, sour, or even slightly bitter notes, creating a more complex and nuanced flavor profile. So, loosen your belt and prepare for a sugar rush. Japan, land of the rising sun, and a land obsessed with all things sweet. But unlike their American counterparts, Japanese sweets are all about subtlety, delicate flavors, exquisite presentation. It's a masterclass in restraint. Take mochi, for example. These small, chewy rice cakes are a staple in Japanese cuisine. Made from glutinous rice flour, they have a uniquely soft and springy texture. Mochi can be enjoyed plain, filled with sweet bean paste, or even served in a warm, comforting soup. Then there's dango. These small, skewered dumplings are made from mochi flour and come in a variety of flavors and colors, often glazed with a sweet soy sauce or coated in a dusting of kinako, roasted soybean flour. They're bite-sized pieces of pure delight. And let's not forget about Japanese pastries. From fluffy melon pan to delicate dorayaki, Japanese bakeries are a haven for sweet tooths. Let us now go to Philippines, where sweet and savory collide. Let's journey south to the Philippines, a country with a vibrant culinary scene, where sweet and savory flavors collide in a beautiful, chaotic symphony. Filipino desserts are a testament to the country's diverse history and cultural influences. One cannot talk about Filipino sweets without mentioning halo halo. This iconic dessert is a visual and culinary spectacle, a mountain of shaved ice topped with a colorful assortment of ingredients. Sweet beans, jellies, fruits, leche flan, and ube halaya all come together in a gloriously messy bowl. Then there's leche flan. This rich, custardy dessert is a Spanish influence that has been fully embraced by Filipino cuisine. Silky smooth and drenched in a sweet caramel sauce, it's the perfect ending to any meal. For a chewy and colorful treat, look no further than kutsinta. These steamed cakes are made from a mixture of tapioca and rice flour, giving them their signature chewy texture. They're often served with grated coconut and a generous drizzle of laddick. And let's not forget about the king of Filipino sweets, ube. You've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin. Here's the thing about Asian street food. It's not just about filling your belly. It's about history, tradition, and the soul of a culture. Every bite tells a story passed down through generations, woven into the fabric of daily life. Spicy food, for example, is more than just a physical sensation. In many Asian cultures, it's believed to have healing properties. Spices like ginger and turmeric have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Sweet treats, on the other hand, are often associated with celebration and festivity. They're a symbol of good luck, prosperity, and happiness. Food in its purest form is a powerful connector. In many Asian cultures, spice is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's seen as a life force, a way to awaken the senses, to connect with something larger than oneself. Take Thailand, for example. The use of chilies in Thai cuisine is deeply rooted in Buddhist beliefs. The heat of the chili is believed to stimulate the flow of energy in the body, helping to achieve a sense of balance and well-being. In India, the use of spices like turmeric and cumin is central to Ayurvedic practices. These spices are believed to have medicinal properties, capable of balancing the body's doshas and promoting good health. Just as spice holds a deeper meaning in Asian cultures, so too does sweetness. Sweet treats are often associated with joy, celebration, and good fortune. They're a way to mark special occasions, to express love and gratitude, and to simply indulge in a moment of pure happiness. Think about the colorful sweets exchanged during Diwali, the Indian festival of lights. These treats, often made with milk, sugar, and spices, are a symbol of prosperity and good luck. They're shared with family and friends as a way to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. In China, mooncakes are an integral part of the Mid-Autumn Festival. These dense, intricately decorated pastries are filled with sweet bean paste, lotus seed paste, or even salted duck egg yolks. They're a symbol of unity and togetherness, often shared with family under the light of the full moon. The beauty of Asian street food lies in its diversity. From the fiery depths of spice to the delicate nuances of sweetness. Every country, every region, every street corner offers a unique tapestry of flavors, a testament to the rich history and cultural influences that have shaped these cuisines over centuries. So the next time you find yourself wandering the bustling streets of Bangkok, Seoul, or Manila, be sure to come hungry, and be sure to come with an open mind. Embrace the heat of a spicy curry. Savor the delicate sweetness of a mochi. Let your taste buds guide you on a culinary adventure. Remember, Asian street food is more than just a meal. Let's talk about the experience, the feeling, the way Asian street food makes you feel alive. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. But most importantly, it's about the taste, the way those flavors hit your palate, the way they linger long after the last bite. Spicy food, it's a rush, a slow burn that starts on your tongue and spreads through your entire body. Your eyes water, your nose runs, you might even break a sweat, but you can't stop eating. It's addictive. Sweet food, on the other hand, is like a warm hug. It's comforting, familiar. It takes you back to childhood memories of sugary treats and happy moments. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most satisfying. Even the spiciest dishes have a balance of flavors. The thrill of the spice. Let's be honest, there's something primal about the way we react to spicy food. It's a challenge, a test of our limits. And when we conquer that heat, there's a sense of accomplishment, a feeling that we can handle anything. Think about the first time you tried a truly spicy dish, the way your mouth burned, the way your eyes watered, the way you swore you'd never do that again. But then something strange happened. You craved it. You wanted more. That's the beauty of spice. It's a thrill ride for your taste buds. It wakes you up. It makes you feel alive. And in the world of Asian street food, it's a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are a little bit dangerous. But it's not just about the heat. It's about the way spice interacts with other flavors, the way it enhances the sweetness of coconut milk in a Thai curry, the way it cuts through the richness of pork belly in a Korean stew. Spice is a flavor enhancer, a magician that transforms ordinary dishes into something extraordinary. The comfort of sweetness. Now let's talk about the flip side, the sweet side, the side that satisfies our cravings for comfort and indulgence. There's a reason why we reach for something sweet when we're feeling down, or why we celebrate special occasions with sugary treats. Sweetness is associated with happiness, with joy, with a sense of contentment. In the world of Asian street food, sweetness takes on many forms. There's the delicate sweetness of Japanese mochi, the chewy, caramelized goodness of Filipino kutsinta, the refreshing sweetness of Thai mango sticky rice. Each bite is a little piece of happiness, a reminder that sometimes it's okay to treat yourself. But just like spice, sweetness in Asian street food is never one-dimensional. There's a balance of flavors, a hint of salt to cut through the sweetness, a touch of acidity to brighten up the flavors. The result is a more complex and satisfying taste, one that leaves you feeling happy and content. Think about the way a scoop of vanilla ice cream complements a slice of warm apple pie, or the way a drizzle of honey enhances the flavor of a ripe fig. Sweetness has the power to transform, to elevate, to make everything better. A culinary pilgrimage. So there you have it, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Asian street food, a world where spicy and sweet collide, where ancient traditions meet modern interpretations, where every bite is an adventure for the senses. We've journeyed through the bustling streets of Bangkok, felt the heat of Thai chilies ignite our taste buds. We've explored the vibrant markets of Seoul, savored the complex flavors of Korean kimchi, and we've indulged in the sugary delights of Japanese mochi and Filipino halo halo. But this is just the beginning. The world of Asian street food is vast and ever-evolving. Every corner you turn, every alley you explore promises new flavors and culinary discoveries. It's a world waiting to be explored. A world of flavor awaits. So the next time you find yourself in Asia, don't just eat. Experience, let your curiosity guide you. Be adventurous, be open to new flavors and textures, embrace the unfamiliar, step out of your comfort zone. Order that dish you can't pronounce. Ask a local for their recommendation. You might be surprised at what you discover. Remember, Asian street food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a reflection of culture, a testament to the power of food to bring people together. So go forth and explore. Eat your heart out. The world of flavor awaits. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.